Welcome to a journey of discovering your infinite nature. Today, we delve into the profound wisdom of Ra, guiding us to embrace the boundless depths of our true essence. Ra teaches us, you are an infinite being. This truth resonates deeply with the understanding that we are far more than our physical bodies or the temporary circumstances of this life. We are spiritual entities, woven into the vast, eternal tapestry of existence. Take a moment to reflect on this. The universe is boundless, expanding in all directions without end. And yet, you are an integral part of that infinite whole. Each breath you take is a reminder of the limitless potential within you, a symbol of your eternal connection to the cosmos. By embracing the vastness of your true self, you step beyond the limitations of the material world and into a reality that transcends the ordinary. Ra's teachings encourage us to let go of fear and doubt. These are constructs of the finite mind, illusions that cloud our understanding of the greater truth. When we recognize that we are infinite beings, we begin to understand that we are not confined to this one lifetime or this one moment in time. Our existence is part of a continuous flow, an unbroken cycle of learning, growth, and evolution. As you embrace your infinite nature, you also begin to realize that everything around you is part of this same flow. The stars, the planets, the people you meet, all of it is interconnected, part of the same cosmic dance. Nothing exists in isolation. Ra teaches that separation is an illusion, that we are all reflections of the one infinite creator. By understanding this, we begin to act from a place of unity and love. Recognizing that our actions ripple out and affect the greater whole, we ask, how do we live as infinite beings in a finite world? Ra's wisdom shows us the way, by aligning with the higher truths, by choosing love over fear, by recognizing that each experience, whether painful or joyful, is an opportunity to expand our consciousness. We are here to learn, to grow, to evolve, individually and collectively. Every choice we make, every thought we have shapes not only our own lives, but the collective consciousness of humanity. As you move through your day, take a moment to pause and breathe. Feel the connection you have with the air, the earth, the universe itself. This simple act of mindfulness reminds us of our infinite nature, of the endless possibilities that exist within us. Ra's teachings call us to live from this place of connection, to embrace our true nature with courage and grace. In the quiet moments, when the world feels still, you can hear the voice of the cosmos, whispering the truth that has always been within you. You are infinite. You are an essential part of the grand design, a being of light and love, here to play your part in the unfolding story of the universe. The power within you is vast, limitless, waiting to be fully realized. Let go of the illusions that hold you back. Step into your infinite self, knowing that the universe is here to support you every step of the way. Your journey is one of expansion, of discovering the truth of who you are, of aligning with the flow of life itself. Embrace your infinite self. You are an essential part of the cosmic whole. In every moment, you have the power to shape your reality and contribute to the collective evolution of consciousness. By living in alignment with Ra's teachings, you become a beacon of light, inspiring others to remember their own infinite nature. The journey never ends, it only expands. Trust in your path, trust in your connection to the cosmos, and know that you are exactly where you are meant to be. You are infinite.